All right, on the first stand of the morning, picked a nice spot with the Onyx, and yeah, I mean, I almost from the road on Onyx on the map, I picked this spot by within 10 feet of where I set up. I mean, I walked right over to the spot that I set up at, and it couldn't have been more perfect. Um, there's some little little uh, little cuts over there. But anyway, it was about 13 minutes in, and played the rabbit and all that stuff. It was when I started getting into the coyotes sounds, the fight sounds. He came from well, I didn't see what it is yet. We'll go check it out. From about the north end over here, try to come down around south and try to cut the wind. But I don't know. The wind keeps changing this morning. It didn't get it, so let's go walk over there. It's probably about 30-ish yards or so. I'll just grab the collar and we'll walk over there. Just over. So yeah, just one shot, one kill. Got the lucky duck right here. Let's pick this up and go over there. It's a nice area right here. I thought for sure something would come from down over here and all these little washes, but it didn't. So here we go. Let's check this out. All right. Oh, look at that. Hey, got him in the neck. Let's check it out. Looks like a fat little puppy. Yeah, it's a little, yeah, little male. Let's check it. Let's see. Oh yeah, right in the throat. Yeah, check them teeth out. Yeah, this little sucker's a nice little guy. Look at that. Nice little color again. Another little white tipper. Let's see. Yeah, it's nice. Yep. Little puppy. Nice little color on that one. But yeah, like I said, shit. Uh, it's hard to see. I was sitting right in there, right before that cactus, right in front of that cactus. But yeah. First stand, first kill. Maybe I'll set up another one, or maybe I'll just go into doing my shooting like I had planned. So anyway, kind of sort of invited my brother, but he decided, I guess, work was more important. You know, Sonny always said the working man's a sucker. So that sucker missed out this morning. But here we go. Had my Palmetto State 223 with my Vortex 4 to 12 and a Lucky Duck. Lucky Duck works better than the rest of them. But anyway, later.